Stand by for a message from the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Erie County in northwestern Pennsylvania, Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Stabula County in northeastern Ohio, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a confirmed tornado 12 miles southeast of Titusville, or 53 miles southeast of Erie. Radar showed this tornado moving northwest at 45 miles per hour. This tornadic storm will be near Titusville around 5:58 p.m., Cochranton and Union City around 6:18 p.m., Meadville, Cambridge Springs and Waterford around 6:28 p.m., Northeast around 6:33 p.m., Edinburgh, Connaught Lakeshore, Brookfield Center, Northwest Harbor Creek, Wesleyville and Lawrence Park around 6:38 p.m., Erie around 6:43 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Ashtabula, Connaught, Geneva, Edgewood, Jefferson, North Kingsville, Roaming Shores, Geneva on the Lake, Andover, Girard, Lake City, Fairview, Pymatuning Central, Albion and Devonia. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.